Adopting Stoic principles can be a powerful way to cultivate a magnetic presence and make someone miss you deeply. Stoicism, a philosophy founded in ancient Greece, emphasizes self-control, resilience, and wisdom. Here are 4 key Stoic principles to adopt in order to make someone miss you. Number 1. Practice emotional restraint. Practicing emotional restraint is one of the cornerstones of Stoicism and is key to creating a magnetic presence. Emotional restraint involves maintaining control over your emotions regardless of external circumstances. This principle can make others view you as calm, composed, and reliable, which can significantly enhance their perception of you and make your absence felt more acutely. How to apply stay calm. In moments of stress or conflict, the ability to stay calm sets you apart from others. By not reacting impulsively, you demonstrate a level of maturity and self-control that is both admirable and reassuring. This calmness can be particularly attractive because it suggests that you can handle challenges without becoming overwhelmed, making others feel more secure and drawn to your presence. Example: if you receive unexpected criticism at work, instead of reacting defensively or emotionally, take a deep breath, listen carefully, and respond thoughtfully. This approach not only helps you manage the situation more effectively, but also leaves a lasting impression on those around you. Avoid overreacting. Overreacting can often escalate situations unnecessarily and create tension. By avoiding overreactions, you show that you can manage your emotions and stay composed under pressure. This level-headedness makes you a more attractive companion, as others feel they can rely on you to maintain stability in relationships. Example: if a friend cancels plans at the last minute, instead of expressing frustration or disappointment, respond with understanding and suggest rescheduling. This response not only preserves the relationship, but also highlights your emotional maturity. Demonstrate self-control. Exhibiting self-control means managing your impulses and making deliberate choices rather than being driven by emotions. This principle is appealing because it reflects inner strength and discipline. When others see that you can maintain self-control, they are more likely to respect and admire you, making them miss your steadying influence when you're not around. Number 2. Cultivate independence. Stoicism teaches the importance of self-sufficiency and independence. By being independent, you show that you are not reliant on others for your happiness and well-being. This self-assuredness can make others admire and miss you. When you are comfortable being alone and pursuing your interests, it creates an aura of mystery and strength that can be very appealing. How to apply. Pursue personal interests. Develop hobbies. Engaging in activities you are passionate about not only enriches your life but also shows others that you have a fulfilling life outside of relationships. Whether it's painting, hiking, or learning a new language, having hobbies makes you more interesting and well-rounded. Set personal goals. Work on personal development goals, whether they are career-oriented, fitness-related, or related to personal skills. Achieving these goals enhances your self-esteem and showcases your ambition and dedication. Develop self-reliance. Make independent decisions. Show that you can make decisions confidently without needing constant validation from others. This demonstrates strength and leadership, qualities that are often admired and missed when absent. Solve problems on your own. Handle your issues independently instead of relying on others for solutions. This can include anything from fixing things around the house to managing your finances effectively. Show confidence. Maintain positive body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures to project confidence. Positive body language makes you appear more approachable and self-assured. Speak assertively. Communicate your thoughts and feelings clearly and assertively. This doesn't mean being aggressive, but rather expressing yourself in a way that shows you believe in what you are saying. Dress well. The way you present yourself can greatly impact how others perceive you. Dressing well according to the occasion shows that you take care of yourself and boosts your confidence. Number 3. Exhibit virtue and integrity. Living a virtuous life and maintaining high moral standards is central to Stoic philosophy. By demonstrating integrity and virtue, you earn respect and admiration, which can deepen the emotional connection others feel towards you and make them miss your presence when you're not around. How to apply. Be honest and transparent. Always speak truthfully and act with integrity. Honesty builds trust, and people are drawn to those they can rely on. Show kindness and compassion. Treat others with respect, kindness, and empathy. Small acts of kindness and understanding can leave a lasting impression. Maintain consistency. Align your actions with your principles. Consistency in your behavior shows that you are reliable and trustworthy, making others value and miss your presence. Practical example. In a professional setting, if you consistently act with integrity, honoring your commitments, being transparent in your communications, and treating colleagues with respect, you build a reputation of trustworthiness and reliability. When you're not around, your colleagues will miss the stability and ethical conduct you bring to the team. Number 4. Practical tips to implement. Stoic principles. Daily reflection. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your actions and thoughts. Assess how well you adhered to Stoic principles and identify areas for improvement. Mindfulness practices. Incorporate mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises to help manage your emotions and stay present. Personal growth. Continuously work on self-improvement and personal development. Read books, attend workshops, and seek out experiences that challenge and expand your capabilities. Gratitude journal. Keep a gratitude journal to remind yourself of the positive aspects of your life. This practice can help you appreciate what you have and reduce the desire for constant external validation. By adopting these Stoic principles, you cultivate inner strength and composure that are highly attractive to others. This, in turn, will make them miss your presence and cherish the moments they share with you.